Hi everyone, this is Crystal, and today I'm sharing a little crafty haul. I've made a few orders over the last several weeks, so I thought I would share with you what I received. Some of them are from places that you may not have heard of or shopped before, so I thought I would share my experiences so you would know for the future what to expect if you choose to order from them. So I'm going to slide some of this to the side and start with a familiar place. So Allie Edwards recently had a sale in her shop, and she had some kits for discounted prices. So I picked up the Give kit, and I'll open it up here so you can see what's inside. I don't remember what I paid. It was something like around $10, I think. It was very reasonable for what you get in the kit, and it has very kind of fall themed colors. So I thought it would be perfect for documenting some of the upcoming months. So you can see there's the Give acrylic piece that comes with all the kits and all the words that the kits are themed by. And then there are these wood veneer pieces. I'll open those up so you can see them. See, there's Give Love, a little tab, some stars, and a circle. There's that. There were these cork stickers, a rubber tag that says Give, some chipboard stickers, and there's 2 sheets in there, so I'll open those up as well. There's the other one. Okay, some labels, label stickers in the colors of the kit. There are 2 sheets of these as well. You can always use more labels, of course. Okay, then there were these puffy heart stickers, and I just love these. They're a little bit bigger than some of the other puffy stickers I've seen, and a little bit flatter, but bigger than the other hearts that I have. And these, these kind of muted fall colors are just gorgeous, so I'm super excited to use those. And then of course it comes with the Story Sparks little card that Allie always includes in her kits, and then journal cards as well. So let me open these up. So there are 4x6 cards. There's Give Thanks and Current Gratitude List. There are some little crosses and stories from the season of giving. Give it your all, you got this every single day, and this story is a gift repeated on black. I really like that. This really pretty kind of paisley pattern in gray, and then the best gifts are often free, or here's the story about that. So those are the 4x6, and then there are 3x4. In all things give thanks, and the color scheme, I love this repeated pattern. The heart that gives gathers. Thank you for the gifts you have brought to my life. Here are just a few of them. And I give to you my everything. You've given me these loving wings, and angels have all gathered round to hear me sing my love out loud. That's a Dave Matthews quote. Give love, give kindness, give time, give patience, give smiles, give understanding, give to others, give to ourselves, give joy, give laughter, give undivided attention, give peace, give fun, give goodness, give flowers, give fun. Give. Love this story so much. Something's got to give. I really like this one. And I give you and you give me. Love this season of giving. Seriously, give me a break. That one's nice too. Here's the story. This is totally a gift that keeps on giving, and give love. So fun kind of fall colors. I thought it would be perfect, like I said, for documenting this fall in my Project Life kit. I used to subscribe to Allie Edwards, but generally I'm not a huge fan of I really like her kits. I'm not saying that I don't like her kits, because they're amazing, but they just didn't work for me in the way that I document Project Life. I ended up not really using them for Project Life. So this one I probably will use some of the cards, but the rest of it might end up in other projects as well. So I'm happy to have that. It's a great kit, and I do love the colors. I also picked up a few other things from the shop while the sale was going on. So I have this set of die cut tickets, and I'm not sure if these were parts of other kits or if they were add-ons from other kits, but they were just in the shop at the time that I was purchasing, so I really liked them and just decided to pick them up. So a bunch of different tickets in different shapes. Those will be fun to use, little die cuts. Then some die cut leaf shapes as well. I thought that would go really well with that kit and would work well for some fall pages. See, really pretty die cut leaves. There were these stickers, and I bought these because they went really well with the color scheme that I had picked out for my Week in the Life album from this year, which I still haven't finished. So I thought I would just throw this in with that pile of supplies and add it to my album, my Week in the Life album. And then finally, another set of label stickers. You can see here. And all of this was really inexpensive in her sale. I think, my total order was under $15. So very good deals. Always watch for her sales and when she has the kits on sale. Okay, so I also picked up a sticker book. This is from Studio O, and it's several pages of just cute little stickers. And I actually ordered it from Zulily. So every once in a while, Zulily has some stationery or craft supply deals, and they tend to be very good prices, like the same prices you would pay at Tuesday Morning. So I always keep an eye out for those deals and pick up things that when I see them, when they look like something I can use for a good price. The only bad thing about Zulily is that the shipping takes a very long time. So if it's something that you want to use in a project you're working on right now, expect to wait a few weeks before you actually get your product. So I'm really excited to use these. I think they're really cute, and I'll just kind of sprinkle them into the projects I'm working on probably. I don't have any specific plan for those. Okay, so next I ordered some adhesive. So I am not a huge fan of the sticky thumb adhesive, but I ran out of tape runner, and I went online looking for a good deal because it can be really expensive. And I found this set, this sticky thumb set. And I've seen these before. I think I've purchased one before at Tuesday Morning. And they tend to be around $12 at Tuesday Morning. I've also gotten the older one, the This to That, from Tuesday Morning. But I found these, I got 2 of them because they were $10. And you get four tape runners, like the 1 tape runner and 3 refills. And there's one inside there, which for $10 is just, even if that's all I was getting, that's a really good deal. So the fact that I got all of this as well, and I do use, red line tape and foam squares and dots as well. So I thought it was just too good of a deal to pass up. So that was sold from Pebbles in My Pocket, which is a scrapbook store in Utah, but I bought it on Amazon, so I got free shipping. And so it was just an amazing deal. So I will link to that below if it's still available. I will look and check. I'll link to all of this if it's still available in the description below. Okay, so my last order was from Blitzie, and I placed the order because I needed white cardstock. So this package of white cardstock was on sale. Actually, it may have just been their regular price, but Blitzie tends to be like a discounted scrapbook store, essentially. I don't think they're quite as discounted as like Tuesday Morning would be, but depending on what you're looking for and what they have available, their prices are certainly better than a lot of other places. So I found this package of cardstock, which is the cardstock I use for nearly all of the 12 by 12 layouts that I do. And it was, I think it was $16. Oh, the prices aren't listed on there. I will double check, but I think it was something like $16, which is a lot less than I've paid in the past and a lot less than it would be at just a regular scrapbooking store. So this is what I was shopping for. And then of course I looked through their other supplies and added a few other things to my cart as well. So I finally ordered one of the Tim Holtz Small Talk packs of phrase stickers. I use phrase stickers all the time, and I've seen other people have these, and it just looks like a never-ending supply. So I was really excited to pick that up. I also got this Cedar Lane paper pad, and I have had this before, and it's just a beautiful collection. I think it's probably my favorite fall collection, and I knew I would be doing some fall scrapbooking, so I just wanted to pick up another one. I haven't seen a fall collection recently that I've loved nearly as much. So this is from 2017, so it's from last year. So like I said, not new, but it's a favorite of mine. So I picked up another one of those. I also picked up this set of dies. They're Lawn Fawn dies. They're just different hearts. And I thought this would work really well with my diamond press, because it takes just dies that are less than 2 inches. So if I take these apart, they'll fit in my diamond press, and then I can just cut all the hearts that I want. So I was excited to pick up that one. I also picked up some glossy accents because I've never owned it before, and I thought it might be fun to play with. So I just got a little one. It was really inexpensive, just a little bottle here. So I'm excited to play around with that. I picked up some circle punches from EK Tools. Basically what I did was get all of the sizes between 0 and 2 inches that I didn't already have, because I use these all the time. I use the circle punches I have all the time. They work really well for when you do printables, when you print your own supplies at home, and there's circles of any kind involved. I'm terrible at hand cutting circles, so I like to have a punch that will work for whatever size circle I'm printing. So I was missing a few. These fill in the gaps, and I am happy to have those in my stash. I also picked up this set of thickers. They are little tiny foam thickers in gold and rose gold. I think they're the same font as the Paige Evans ones that everyone has, that are white and blue, but these are in gold with just white foam behind them. So I know that I will get a lot of use out of these. So I'm excited about that. And then finally I picked up the Simple Stories Life is Perfect collection, because I know that you've all seen my cats, because they jump in my videos every now and then, and I don't do a lot of scrapbooking about them, and I figured I probably should. So I thought this would be a fun way to get them into my scrapbook albums, or at least it would be an excuse to start scrapbooking more about them. So I picked this up for a really reasonable price, and it's a really cute, fun collection. So that is it. That is my scrappy haul for the last several weeks. And like I said, I will link everything that's still available below in the description. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and I will do my best to answer it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.